Hi, my name is Bernardo. I have a bachelor's degree in civil engineering where I got in Silliman University. I've also spent the past 3 years working and studying in Sydney, Australia. That's where I got my diploma in information technology, specifically in cybersecurity, and also my advanced diploma in information technology. I worked at Pegatron Services Australia, which is a tech company that repairs Apple products such as your iPhones, iPads, AirPods, Beats, and also your HomePods. My job was in the VMI area, which we call the visual and manual inspection. It is our job to make sure that the damage on the devices matches that of the customer complaint, so that we don't accidentally repair something that the customer hasn't paid for. I was also in charge of the IQT, which is the internal quality testing. In that area inspects the software damages of the iPhone. It inspects your front camera, your back camera, the compass, the LiDAR, the accelerometer, everything that is software related on the iPhone. I was also in charge of the AXI and the XRF machines. The AXI machine inspects the internal components of the iPhone, usually the stuff that we don't see with our naked eye, and the XRF machine inspects the elemental components of the iPhone, which all of these is just to make sure that we don't get any third-party devices coming into the manufacturing area. Before that, I also worked at PhilSouth, which is a development company here in Dumaguete City. I was there for my on-the-job training. I worked at the recently constructed Leon Kilat Mall. I worked under the site engineer, which I was assisting in the blueprint interpretations, inventory management, and also the structural inspections. For the building.